Hello everybody, welcome back. Guess what? Today I am doing my very first Amazon Flex. Yeah, I accepted a block a couple days ago for today. Later on this afternoon, we will see that, as long as I don't chicken out. So yeah, I'm nervous. I cannot lie. The warehouse I'm going to is Imperial, Pennsylvania. And I researched it a little bit, and apparently it's not where you park and you go in, you get your cart and you bring it out. I kind of like that idea better. It's one where you go and you drive in. Who knows, maybe I'll be one of the ones that there are no routes left. I don't know. I don't know if that happens at this warehouse or not. But I'm ready to get my shift started. But first, my car is thirsty, so I have to get her some gas. And then we're going to get this day going. Okay, I didn't even launch DoorDash or Uber Eats yet. But I just accepted this shopping order. It's $15.66. 2 stops. 8.3 miles, estimated to take 34 minutes. There's only 12 items, so I should be able to knock this out rather quickly. Wrong one. This is the one I want. Okay, so that shop took me about 15 minutes. I've got 18 minutes to the customer. So it was estimated to take 34 minutes. Pretty much right on target. Okay, this next order is on DoorDash.
In 1 mile, turn right onto West Main Street.
And I took it because it means I don't have to go all the way back to Walmart and double my miles. This beer distributor is only 7 minutes away, 4 miles. And it's going back in the direction in which I want to go anyhow. So no empty miles, basically. That's the goal, folks. Maximize your dollar per mile and hourly rate. I just had a brain fart. Hello.
Thanks, you too.
In Pennsylvania, when you're delivering alcohol, you have to have the state, Pennsylvania State Liquor Board license requires these magnets. I might have to get DoorDash to send me some new ones. It basically has DoorDash's license thing on it. Got to have it on both sides of the car. And then after I deliver, these things can come off. Yeah, they kind of got folded. All right, they're on. Okay, we are off to Walmart again. I got another shopping order. Here's the card. And low miles. Not bad payout. I'm trying to keep my miles a little bit on the lower side because I'm going to need them when I do this flex block in a couple of hours. I gotta be honest. I mean, I'm scared. I need my teddy bear. I need my big Daisy. Give her a hug for reassurance. I'm always there for her during thunderstorms. She needs to be there for me with my anxiety over doing a flex route. Okay, I guess I will see you at Walmart. Doesn't want to scan. Okay, I took this order on DoorDash. I logged off of Spark because I need to go home, take care of the dogs, grab something to eat, and be on my way to Pittsburgh because I got to be at the Amazon warehouse, which is an hour away. Now this order, I probably would have normally declined it because of the dollar per to mile ratio, but it's taken me within a few streets of my house. So it basically getting paid to go back home. So let's go pick up this order. Thank you. Amazing, it was ready. sitting at a red light. I am on my way. I'm about 34 minutes away from the Amazon warehouse. I can't lie. I am nervous and I'm tired. I didn't sleep much last night. I got 4 hours of sleep plus that 2.5-hour nap in the evening. Because I was up editing last night. But that this route might be the last thing I do in this video. We'll see how I feel when I get done with it. And I don't know how much of the warehouse I'm going to be able to film. Because I definitely don't want to get in trouble with Amazon for trying to film inside their warehouse. But this light's going to turn. I'll see you in a bit. Well, I am here. I'm waiting to check in. I still got a few minutes before I can check in. You can only check in up to 15 minutes prior to your block. I got a lot of really good help. A couple drivers here. One of them, he had a pretty decent sized route. He was telling me what you do step by step. And there's one woman that came over that she says, come with me, I'll show you. And she showed me where the 1 hour blocks are, where the 2 hour, hour and a half carts are. And she walked me through everything she did when she was checking in because she had a 1 hour block. And she only had one package. That's it. Right now, I don't see any other packages. And here's the thing. If I don't get any packages or any routes, I get paid anyhow. Just for showing up. So I will check back with you once I get a route. If I get one. Just a little check-in. I checked in at 4. I have not gotten a route yet. And it is 4:36. Now, if I do not get a route within a half an hour of my block time, which was supposed to be 4:15, so at 4:45, if I don't get a route, then I just go home and I get paid my 20 bucks for sitting here. I wasn't here about the money. I was more here for the learning experience, to see how it was done. And just by talking to a lot of drivers and even staff here at the warehouse, I learned a lot. And I think there is going to be a all flex day in the very near future. All right, here's a scoop. I didn't get a route. They said it came up on the screen that there were no routes available, that I was free to leave, and that I would still get paid. I haven't checked yet because I've got the Amazon Flex, like the debit card, just kind of like DoorDash has the Crimson card. Walmart has the one, whatever. But anyhow, I am tired. And I had this grand plan of, okay, I didn't get that, but I'm going to go make some more money. I can't. I just can't. And the reason is, last night, you know, I took that nap, right? And that was in the previous video. I know I'm moving my camera all the way around. I'm using it as a selfie stick. Sorry. But then I did a late night dash. Then I came home and I edited. I finally got to bed at around 3 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. Dogs got me up early. 7 or 7:30. So I did not have a lot of sleep. I guess you could say I had broken sleep. And I'm feeling it. Even with drinking Celsius, I'm feeling it. But I gotta run in and get the dogs some dog food. I want to get some tea and a couple things. Then I'm gonna go home and spend the rest of my Friday evening enjoying myself. So stay tuned for the number section for when I go over what I made and everything for the whole entire day. All right, I'll see you in a bit. How did it go today? Well, I didn't put in a long day. Not even a half a day when you look at the total hours. But let's start with the money part. On DoorDash, I made $20.75. On Walmart Spark, I made $30.19. And on Flex, yes, Flex, Amazon Flex, I made $20.50, and I didn't deliver one single package. So my total came to $71.44 for just slightly over 3 hours. That's incredible. My hourly wage was $23.05. My miles, higher than I like, but a big chunk of those miles were highway miles. So it was $57, I keep doing that, 57.7 miles at $1.24 per mile. That is pretty solid considering. So, those are my numbers. I am not going to complain a bit. Meanwhile, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot. It tells YouTube to show my video to other people. And if you're new here, welcome aboard. Please subscribe. A lot more content coming, including a day of all Amazon Flex. Nothing but. And I'm going to see how much I can earn with just Amazon Flex blocks. I'm going to be doing some more of these also by platform. How much can I earn on DoorDash, which I'm dreading that one for a whole entire day. Nothing but Spark for an entire day. Maybe even Instacart, going to an area where Instacart is big. So you will definitely want to be subscribed so you don't miss a beat. Until next time, I love each and every one of you, and thank you for your support.